Hello my dear student. In this class we discuss about degrees. In the first class we have discussed the ratios, trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta and their relation also, and discuss 2 and 3 questions. Okay, so in this class we will discuss here the trigonometric ratios or degree, like 0 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree, 45 degree, है ना, 60 degree. So how to calculate and how to find out with the help of, and what is the calculation of degrees, 0 degrees and 45 degrees, and what is the question on it. So focused on lecture and watch the complete video because in this video is very informative and the very important concept of the degrees and the sin theta and cos theta and tan theta also, remaining three trigonometric ratios. Okay, so now we will first find out 0 degree. 0 degree means, what is sin 0? What is sin 0 degree? What is the value of sin 0 degree? How to calculate? यही हम लोग देखने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. तो look at here, I am drawing here. This is your ray. This is your ray. If you watch the previous lectures, so you know about the ray and this concept. This is your ray O and this is your A, and another OA, sorry, another ray is overlapping on OA. So the name is overlapping ray is OB. If OB is rotate anti-clockwise direction or upward direction from OA, so it makes some inclination with OA. Look at like this. This is your B point, and the gap between ray OA and OB is called angle. This concept is discussed already in previous class, so please go and watch. I am not complete discussing here, but there's some basic information I am giving here. So the gap between ray OA and OB is theta. I am telling, and also discuss this theta, and OA is your initial side, and this is your terminal side, okay. If I am drawing here a perpendicular line with OA and OB, look at like this, and this point is B, I am considered, and this point is A. So the look at this section, this is your triangle AOB. Okay, this is your रोटेटिंग पॉइंट और शीर्ष बिंदु जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, ठीक. इफ what is the ratio and what is the sin theta in ratio form? So if you watched my first class on this concept, so you know about the sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So look at here in this diagram, this is your perpendicular and this is your 90 degree, because without 90 degree formation you have no any type of perpendicular. If two lines are intersecting like 90 degree makes angle 90 degree, then there is a perpendicular and another line is your base. So this is your base and this is your hypotenuse. Okay, now so what is sine theta? Look at here, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So the perpendicular is AB and the hypotenuse is OB. Okay, now if we put here theta is equal to 0 degree, means perpendicular means 0. Look at here, if the gap between ray OA and OB is 0, then the perpendicular is lapsed, removed. So look at here, if looks, this is your OA and OB, if we shift on OA, we shifted on OA, so the gap between OA and OB has been cleaned, okay, removed. So the theta is 0. If theta is 0, then perpendicular also means gap between or length of or distance between O is also 0, means sorry, AB is 0. So I am telling here AB is equal to 0. So look at here, this is your 0. If I am putting here sine theta is equal to 0, means theta is equal to 0, then sine 0 is equal to, look at here, sine 0 degree is equal to AB means 0, AB means 0 upon OB, OB is equal to OA, not a problem. So I am writing here directly OB. If you know about, if you multiply or divide with 0 and in 0, so you got the only yes, this is your 0. Okay, and again, so sine 0, we got the value of sine 0 degree is equal to 0. Any problem? This is very important value of sine 0, so please note it down or mark the star on it. Okay, now we will discuss here sine theta and also we will discuss here cos theta. So what is cos theta? Look at this diagram and write here the cos theta. Cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Look at here, base upon hypotenuse. So what is base? Base is equal to OA and hypotenuse is also OB. Okay, if OA and OB are shift on each other and on a single line, then we will called OA is equal to OB. Then if OA is equal to OB, so if I am putting here only one condition, so the cos theta or cos 0, because theta is equal to 0, so shift OA and OB on overlapping with each other, so cos 0 is equal to base is equals to OA, means base is equal to OB also. So if I am putting here OB upon OB, so the cancel out OB, we got 1. So the mean value of cos 0 is equal to 1. We got the cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Any problem? No. This is your final value of cos 0 degree. Now if you know about the relation and tan theta, I am telling here tan theta, if you know about tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta, we have discussed in previous lectures, so go and watch that lectures. This concept is discussed in very detailed way. Okay, so if the theta is equal to 0, so the tan 0 is equals to, so put the sin 0 value, sin 0 value is 0 and the cos 0 value is 1, so tan 0 is equal to also 0. Okay, the value of tan 0 is equal to 0. These three inverse of sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. So we can say the sin theta 1 by 0 means cosec 0 is equals to infinite, and tan matlab means cot also infinite, only cos is equal to 1 means sec theta is equal to 1. Okay, I am writing here very fast way. So first we will erase this condition and this data. Means the relation between sin theta and cosec theta. So the cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 upon sin 0, means if you divide any value with 0 or by 0, we got undefined. What is undefined? It is not defined. Okay, so the cosec 0 is equal to undefined and sec 0 is equals to the inverse of cos theta, means 1 upon cos 0 is equals to 1 by 1 is equals to 1, and another the cot theta or cot 0 degree 1 by tan 0 degree. So value of tan 0 is 0, so also again 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, so we got the all zeros in all ratios. Okay, so the sin 0 0, cosec 0 undefined, cos 0 1, sec 0 1, cot 0 undefined, and tan 0 0. Okay, so I think no problem with this concept. We will go with 90 degree. Okay, so what is the value of sin 90, cos 90 and tan 90, and also these threes? So how to find out? Look at here. 90 degrees. How to calculate? Look at here. If OB is perpendicular, makes angle OA with perpendicular like this. This is your OA and this is your OB like this. So the theta is equal to, theta makes 90 degree. Okay, theta makes 90 degree, means we can say OB and AB is equal to same. Okay, OB and OA is similar, or the gap between OA and OB is 90 degree. So we can say here OB is equals to AB. Okay, any problem? No. Now how to find out? Look at here. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so what is the perpendicular here? AB. Look at here, AB. So sin 90 degree is equal to AB. I am putting here AB, and hypotenuse is OB. So OB is equal to AB, so I am directly putting here AB. If we cancel out and AB with AB, we got 1, so we can say here sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay, so as well as I am finding out the cosec. So the cosec 90 degree is equal to 1 upon sine inverse, means 1 upon sine 90 degree is equals to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So also the cosec 90 degree is 1. Okay, now we will find out cos theta. So what is cos theta? How to find? Look at here, cos theta, yeah, or cos 90. So cos theta, first I am writing here, cos theta is equals to base upon perpendicular, sorry, base upon hypotenuse hypotenuse. So what is the base? OA. Look at here, OA. And the hypotenuse is OB. Yes. Look at here, OB is equals to, sorry, this is not AB. This is OA. OB is equals to OA. Sorry. That's why I'm confusing. OA base upon hypotenuse OB. So OA, this is your base, and OB. So both are similar. So I'm writing here only OA upon OA. This is your 90 degree. No. Something is missing or something is confusing. Just wait 1 second. Yes. Base we need OA. In this condition, OA is 0. OA is 0. So that condition is sufficient for that sine theta. But here is OA is 0 because the AB is shifted on, overlapping on OB. Okay, so OA is 0. OA for base is 0 because the gap between OA AB is shift on O. So अगर AB O पे ही शिफ्ट हो गया तो इसके बीच में दूरी बिल्कुल नहीं बचेगी, गैप नहीं बचेगा. अगर गैप नहीं बचेगा तो OA क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. So OA is 0 and this is your OB finally. So the cos 90 is equals to 0 degree. Sorry, 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So लगे हाथ हम लोग sec का भी निकाल लेते हैं. So the sec theta or sec 90 degree is equal to 1 upon cos 90 degree. So the value of cos 90 degree 0. So 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay. Now the last one is tan. If you know about relation between sin theta and cos theta, so don't need this, and we will find out by the help of sin and cos. Okay. So tan 90 is equals to sin 90 upon cos 90. Okay. So put these values. We got tan 90 is equals to the cos 90, sin 90 is equals to sin 90 is equals to 1 and the cos 90 is equals to 0. So tan 90 is equals to undefined. Okay. सो लगे हाथ हम लोग कॉट का भी निकाल लेंगे। कॉट 90 इज इक्वल टू इनवर्स ऑफ 10, सो द कॉट 90 इज इक्वल टू 1/10 90 डिग्री। सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ undefined? So put this value 1 by 1 by 0, so 1 cancel out, so this is 0. So cot 90 is equal to 0. Okay, any problem? So this is the 0 and 90 degrees. So today lectures from here, I am not continued from this. तो इसके आगे हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ने वाले हैं, बिकॉज टाइम लिमिट होता है चीज़ों का। तो इसके बाद भी अब हम लोग जब भी पढ़ेंगे 45, 30, 60 डिग्री, यही 3 बच गए हैं। तो इन तीनों को निकाल के फिर इस पे करने वाले हैं हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन, ठीक है। तो अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो, मज़ा आया हो, इन्जॉय किए हो, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन एंड शेयर द वीडियो। ओके, चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, नमस्कार, सब खैर।